So why is reflective practice important? Reflecting critically allows us to synthesize different perspectives to help explain and to justify and challenge what we've encountered in our teaching. Reflective practice may provide evidence to support our views or our practices, or it may even challenge them. Critical reflection also allows us to analyse what we've learned and how we've learned it, and it enables us to take control of our own development, most importantly. It is in light of these two functions of reflective practice that a great deal of importance is now placed on critical reflection in the process of professional development for teachers. Many teachers already think about their teaching and talk to colleagues about it too. For example, my lesson went very well today is something you'll often hear teachers say, or my students don't seem to understand, or even my students were so badly behaved today. This is a form of reflection. However, without more time spent focusing and discussing what has happened, we may tend to jump to conclusions and look at things quite superficially. We may only notice our reactions and the reactions of particular students in the classroom. Reflective teaching, therefore, implies a more systematic and thorough process, a process of collecting, recording, and analysing our thoughts and observations, as well as those of our students, and using these to make changes. If a lesson went well, for example, we can describe it and think about why it was successful. If the students didn't understand a learning point that a teacher introduced in the classroom, we need to think about what we did and why it may have been unclear. If students are misbehaving, what were they doing? When were they doing it? And why, most importantly, were they doing it? Working in this reflective way allows us to take control of our learning and our development, and allows us to make changes in our practice that will develop our overall competence as teachers. This preparation should be the same for all events and all occurrences in the future. How can reflective practice develop your work further as a teacher? Well, first of all, it can help you address students' needs. It can help you think about the way you have responded to your students and how you can better develop strategies in the future. It can help you work with colleagues more effectively. Reflecting on the way you interact with colleagues can help you create better relationships in the school. This can help you enjoy your work far more. It can help you think about your role and your students. By thinking about the effectiveness of the way you work with the students, you can tailor your approach to suit their needs and their interests. You can plan students' learning more effectively by considering the effectiveness of your plans, and this can help you develop new systems for planning and recording information much more in the future. It can help you work more effectively with parents. By thinking through how you work with parents and other external agencies, you may develop a stronger working relationship with them and build better lines of communication. So it's over to you. Consider how you have used reflective practice up to now and how reflection has changed the outcomes of teaching. And think about how your practice has improved because of reflection and what the impact of reflection has had on those around you.